Hey guys, it's teacher Kristen, and I know. Hey guys, welcome to my VIPKID classroom. I have my little setup with teacher Kristen. I also have a teacher Kristen right here. A little bit of props and stuff just to make the background look educational. I have my little two whiteboard props that I can write on if I need to, and I have a bunch of other little props. Basically, this is my classroom. I have two photography lights right here, a little lamp, and I upgraded my webcam to a Logitech HD 1080p, whatever that means, but it's very clear. I am currently recording on my iPhone. I got accepted to VIPKID and I wanted to walk you guys through the teacher portal. So let's turn around and look at that. So again, these are my two photography lights. This is my little lamp right there, and then this is my upgraded webcam. So it's my desktop. I downloaded this portal right here for the desktop. I'm gonna click that. This is the VIPKID teacher portal. When you sign up, they give you a letter for the end of your name, just so you wouldn't have your name out there. So it's Kristen and my letter is B. My friend's letter is CB, I believe. So here is my profile picture. You can sign out if I need to. So starting from this side, this is VIPKID. To get to the home page, you can just press that button again, or you can press this home page. These are just like little reminders and stuff that are going on, and to like look through just stuff that they want to show you, you can press this. These are my upcoming classes for the week or for the next month. Here's my to-do list. This right here, CFUA, this is when you have to evaluate your student and tell tell their parent what they did in the class. So right after a VIPKID class, you have a little mini review or survey or evaluation actually to fill out, and it's what the student did in today's class with the parents. The parents see that, and then another thing is what you would tell another teacher that gets the student in the future. And at the bottom, you have to rate how well the student did with their grammar, with their pronunciation, with their reading comprehension, with their math, and stuff like that. Booking requests are basically what it says, booking request. I don't have any because I just accept all my bookings. And tasks are anything that I should be doing. Down here are just promotions. I kind of don't really look down here, and this is the library. If you want to learn anything new, if you need any help with anything, you can go to the library. This is the home page. So if I go over here to class, I go to bookings. These are my bookings that I have. And this is all my availability right here in blue. And this green is what I had booked. The gray is what is expired because it does, like, the time has passed. So to edit a booking, you have to go up to the top and press this unlock button right here. Now everything is unlocked for me to set up. So I have all of this empty up here because that's normally when the student would probably be in school, because on my time right here it says 3:30 a.m. but Beijing time, it's 3:30 p.m. So they're probably in school. Usually VIPKID does help you determine when is a good time to show your availability, and it's by this hot, or it could be with like the red. So then first they have like the beige hot, I guess, and then they have the red hot. That just means that this is like a really popular time to tutor. So the popular times would be 6 a.m. to 8:30, and that's basically Monday all the way through Sunday. And the night, which would be 9 p.m. to 10 p.m., this is just the regular hot. This is like that color under here. So this is how you do it. You have to unlock it, how I told you to unlock it up there. You come down here. Let's say I want to do 7 a.m. my time. Beijing time is 7 p.m. So it tells you right here, just in case you get confused. I, by the way, am in Miami, Florida. So I press that, I press course. That means I'm available to teach this course at 7 a.m. Whatever course the student needs that I'm certified to teach. So I'm certified to teach, I'll show you that in another video. But the courses that I'm certified to teach, I'm available at that time. And I can press short notice. Short notice basically tells me that this time slot is now, oh, let me go back and do it again so you guys can see. If I press short notice, look what message pops up. It says this time slot is now able to be booked 24 hours without any further notice. So March 23rd on Monday at 7 a.m. I can be booked up to 1 hour before 7 a.m. So I have to be alert and ready, because if I miss this class, then it counts as a no-show on my end and it counts negatively towards me, and I get money deducted, as well as a no-show on my record, which is not good. When you have a certain amount of no-shows, they can retract your contract, and I will show you that also in another video. So basically it says, are you sure about short notice? ? Classes can be very early and may be booked up to 1 hour before a class begins. So basically I do short notice because you get a $2 incentive. So basically the classes are, each class is $7.50. So if I do a short notice, then it bumps it up to $9.50. So that's why I have all my classes as short notice. And I do have alarms to wake me up, because that can be scary. I've missed one short notice before. And after that, that's when I set my alarms. So now I'm good. But yeah, this is how you basically book. I'll do a new one up here just to show you again. So I press a box that I'm available. I press course. If I do not want a short notice, I'm going to keep it as available. If I want it to be short notice, I get the extra $2. I have to make sure I wake up for the class. I press short notice, and now it's set. So I can press X to cancel this class. Let's say I'm going out of town or something. I do not want to say I'm available anymore. I press close, and then that's it. So I was going out of town, but this whole coronavirus happened, so I'm staying in Miami. On Fridays and Saturdays, I'm available from 9 to 10:30, just because at this time I'm just watching TV. So if I get a short notice class, I could just, have my little setup here and just have everything ready to go. And yeah, so $7.50 is not a lot. But the classes are only 25 minutes. You can go over. You're technically not supposed to go over. Like 28 would be like the max. Although you can continue to go over however long you want. It's just not fair for the teacher that teaches a student after if they finish right at 25 minutes, because the parents may say, hey, like, how come you're finishing at 25 and this other teacher is finishing at 30 minutes? So technically it's supposed to be 25 to 28 minutes. Although if you need to go past because you have to finish the lesson, then you have to go past. That's it. So this is the operation log. I really didn't even look at this, so it's not really anything important. Booking request, that's if your student wants to book and you have to accept it. So if you go over here, resources library, like I said earlier, that's if you need any information, you want to learn more about VIPKID, techniques, anything. You go there. If you go back up to resources, you go to certification. This is when you see what you're certified to teach. So I'm fairly new to VIPKID. I started around a month and a half ago. So I would just go straight to major course. This educational course, that is what I had to complete in order to be a teacher on VIPKID. I do not have a teaching degree, so I had to take VIPKID's specific teaching degree. You just study a little. It's not little, it's actually pretty long. You just study that and you take your test and you pass, and that's it. Builders program, I don't even really look at this because that is like when you get very into VIPKID and just you're at the top of the food chain. So I go to major course, and basically this is what I'm certified to teach. When I first got into VIPKID, I was certified to teach level 3 and level 5. I think 3, 4, and 5 actually. This is like the upper level. This is when they are reading on their own and you're just helping them learn new vocabulary, math, a little bit of math, some grammar. Basically this ratio that you teach at is a 70-30. So the student should be talking 70% and you should be talking 30%. I like this level because I do less talking and I let the student engage more. With level 2, I just recorded a video for level 2. Actually, you can see that in another video. I'll put the link down below. So in this level 2 interactive, this is like basic, when you have 0 English to maybe like beginner level. So in this one, you're learning about mom, dad, family, ball, circle, square, stuff like that. And these are like mainly babies, like minimum 5 to 9. But that age range can vary as well. So I'm basically certified to teach these 3. My video that I recorded is being processed to see if I can pass for that. Basically, when I pass this, I can go on to this level, and then I can go on to this level as well, level 1. For level 6, I think I have to teach a certain amount of classes. Let me show you. So see, it says number of classes I have to teach is 30 or more, and I have 16. So basically, after I pass 30, then I'm able to be certified for level 6 basics. And if you see on the side, I have all the smiley faces, meaning I'm good in every aspect besides the 30. So that's what level 6 is. And for level, let me show you, it's loading. For level 7, it's probably going to be a number as well. I have to look, 7 is 150 right there. And then for level 8, it is, for level 8, it's 400, as well as being certified for level 7 and having a finish rate of 98%. That's previous month's class finish rate. That's just how many classes you were able to book and finish. And then parent feedback. Parent feedback, not all parents do teacher feedback. It's good when they do it because it's good on my part and it boosts my ratings up. But if they don't do it, it's not gonna hurt you. If they put anything negative, then it will hurt you. If they don't do anything, it will not hurt you. If they put something positive, then it can help you. So this is a trial. The trial is when a student who is new to VIPKID, if they want to do a trial and see if they like it, see if their parents like it, then they will do a trial class. So I'm certified to teach this trial class here and this as well. This is processing. I just did a video on this. I will put that link in the description down below as well. And basically, yeah, I'm able to teach a trial class, and that's basically the students who are not a student of VIPKID and they want to become a student of VIPKID, but they want to have a little trial, like a little practice, and see if they like it. So that's what the trial class is. Rewards, I do not use this. Basically, 6 Apple is about the whole feedback, parent feedback. And basically, if you get a certain amount, then you can use these things. I don't go on this page, so that's kind of like irrelevant to me. But yeah, so VIPKID has rewards and promotions and token heroes and all that stuff. The community, that's if you want to just engage with your other VIPKID teachers. I'm assuming the store would be where you can buy VIPKID merch. I haven't even been here before. Yeah, classroom props, toys. Basically, when you get a certain amount of rewards, you can use those tokens and stuff to buy VIPKID merch instead of actually paying. So that's fun. My info, this is the account center payment stats, like how my stats are. I'll go to stats really quick. So here's my first teacher no-show that I told you about earlier. So that's probably why my finish rate is at that percentage. And yeah, it just basically tells you down here like the information, what are stats for, and all that stuff. My contribution, my VIPKID, and my tags. Tags are just what describes you, so you can be fun, you can be energetic and stuff like that. So payments, that's how VIPKID pays you. You can determine like how you want to get paid and stuff. The account center, I will go there. So here is my profile picture. Here are my 2 featured pictures where I'm teaching, and here's my introductory video. And then I have a little excerpt here about me. My introductory video, I will put that in another video, how I basically made that and what I used to make that, which was iMovie on the iMac, or on the Mac, same thing. And then support would just be if you need help and anything you need help, you can go there and talk to a representative. So VIPKID, you are going to file your tax form as an independent contractor. So that's over here. You can see that. Basically, they're going to run a background check. You have your contract. You can combine payments or not. That's basically just saying if you make, I believe it's 42, I believe something around there. If you make less than 42, they will combine your check with that month, from that month with the next month, just so they can pay you over $42. And I think some banks charge, they charge like a fee to get deposited, for VIPKID to deposit your check and your direct deposit in your account. If it's less than a certain amount, I think they charge more, something along those lines. That is why VIPKID recommends you to combine payments. You don't have to, and some banks don't do it. I believe my bank does not. I have Wells Fargo. So yeah. With that being said, last thing I can think of is right here, refer a friend. I can refer a friend to be a teacher on VIPKID. Basically, they would copy my link right here, and basically when they copy my link, they would go onto VIPKID and type in my code, or they can type in this link right here that I give them. Basically, when they do that, they get more of a chance to become a teacher on VIPKID because they were referred by a teacher, versus if they were to just do it on their own, they probably would still get the job, maybe, but it's more likely to get the job if you have a refer from a teacher. So basically, this is my referral code right here, CRIST0180 right here. So if you are interested in becoming a VIPKID teacher, you can use my code right here. I will also put the link down below, this link right here, and that's basically it. When you use my code, it helps me out and gives me a little incentive as well, and helps you out because it gives you a job with VIPKID. So my personal opinion on VIPKID will be expressed in another video because I've been working with them for like a month and a half, almost 2 months. So I can give you my personal experience, the pros and the cons of working with them, if I like it, if I'll continue and stuff like that. So yeah, that will be in another video. So stay tuned. That is it for the VIPKID teacher portal walkthrough. Bye. Bye. Talk soon.